To understand fundraising process, how fundraising process works, let's say there is a company called GMT startup. All right. So GMT startup, which is into the assuming that they are into the edutech business, edutech, or it could be, let's say, technology or AI. Okay. And the founder name is founder name means who is going to run this show. That founder name is, let's say, Mr. X, or I'll give my name because I'm the founder. So I'll give my name, let's say, Shiv, founder. And initially I'm holding 100% stake in this company, in GMT, sorry, or yep, Shiv founder stake is 100% in GMT Academy, GMT startup company. Let's say it could be LLP, sorry, it could be private limited company, or it could be just startup. Just I have registered my idea. It could be any situation on the ground. But to understand this use case, so we are assuming this it's a private limited company, and I'm holding, or I'm just controlling 100% stake through different route. Okay. And I have registered it as a name of GMT. It could be text solution, let's say, text solution. Now let's say, guys, see, as a business, okay, as a business, the cash portion is like oxygen. It's like an oxygen. So it means if you don't have a cash, you cannot survive. If you have a excess cash, again you cannot survive. So as a business need a at least minimum cash which business can operate, or at least I would say survive. So it means cash is required for a survival basically. So it means, for example, let's say as a GMT tech, let's say we have hired developers, so we'll have to pay salary to them. Let's say we have applied for a licenses with the information ministry or different licenses, and as let the pricing of licenses are around 1 crore. So it means we need a fund to pay the bills or to pay the invoices of clients. Let's say we have rented out space in XYZ city, then we need a money to pay rent, right? Then we need a money to expand team, we need a money to hire right people. Are you getting my point? So as a business need a cash. Business need a cash at least for 1 to 2 year, at least 1 year cash flow that business need, so that business can hire more and more people, deploy it, and operate that business. Otherwise, if the business, let's say, if there is no cash in a business account, would be difficult to survive, or would be difficult to what I would say, would be very difficult to run the show. So it means cash, it's like oxygen. Okay. So cash is your oxygen, and need that oxygen now. We need oxygen. All right. Mm, then text solution. So chart out flow in a systematic way so that each flow you can save it with you.
This meeting is being recorded.
Oxygen. Now, as an entrepreneur, let's say this guy, Shiv, founder, is looking for someone who can basically help to provide oxygen to the business. See, as a founder, I have an idea. I'm ready to put my efforts. I means I'll take care of everything. I'll manage investors. I'll manage people. I'll hire people. But I need a money to uh, execute my business plan. Basically, see, there are two ways. As an entrepreneur, there are two ways. One, if you have your own money, then that's fine. You don't need to reach out to the people for a funding. Then simply what you can do, you can spend money on business activities and multiply your business empire. That's the one way. Or the second way is like simply you can ask to your family friends or family members if they are wealthy. You can approach them, share equity with them. Let's say you are holding 100%, you can share 10 to 20% with them. You can raise 2 to 3 crores from them and then run the business and generate revenue for both of you guys, right? That's the another way. But what if your family friends or let's say other you know people also, they are not able to support you? And in a most cases what I have experienced personally, see, since last 6 months I'm into the fundraising as well, so I have raised 4 to 5 crores funds for my different businesses. uh, Trust me, before that I chased thousands of my students or close friends or very very close friends, even relatives, but nobody trusted us. Nobody means nobody. Whenever means I used to share my vision, look, I want to build company, I want to build fund, and I want to build that and these, they were like, oh, you want to build it? Okay. And if you just open up your mouth for funds, they were like, look, we can't, I mean, I don't know your business, how can I trust? So that's how means I had a bad experience. And I believe, see, the same sort of experience maybe people, thousands or millions of entrepreneurs means in their initial journey, they are also facing same. So the point here is, so every time your close ones, they cannot help you. Why? There are two reasons. Try to understand the technical reasons. One, if you don't have a connections, if you don't know who can provide you funding to your business, it's a natural way that we used to reach out to the people who we know better, and those would be your family, friends, or relatives basically. And that's what in a first you know and at first glance we just reach out to them and pitch our business idea. But my view is very different. Means since I have experienced the same thing, we should not try to find